I'm R.K. Patel from AHUNA Cooperative Society located at Charai, Thane. Ours is a cooperative housing society of 30 years. I mean, the building is 30 plus years old. And we have 50 flat owners, mostly senior citizens. We have been getting our AHUNA building repaired every decade, you can say. So this was the third time we got it repaired in the last 30 plus years. So we go as per the guidelines given in the bylaws, like we have to invite tenders from the contractors, which we follow very strictly. We invited, and this time also around 6 to 7 contractors showed interest. And we had a very rigorous interview session with them, and we evaluated ways, pros and cons of all contractors. We did not look at only the pricing. We also looked at their capability, their past record, their feedback from other customers, etc. And finally, we zeroed in on Zindas contractors. Actually, it was a huge task given to them. It was not only of painting. We got it repaired, we got it painted, we got the full plumbing done, including sewage. And if you ask me to evaluate their work, at 10-point scale, I would give 7 or 8. That is the assessment, my assessment as a chairman of the society. Why 7 or 8? Because if you ask me, so far of the 3 contractors we had in the last 3 years, they turned out to be the best. However, you know, these are the feedback coming from members. There are good feedback also and the bad feedback also. So some of the members had certain feedback to give, like they did not do a good job as far as painting of grills, lift grills, etc. are concerned. While painting them, they spoiled the inner walls, etc. Of course, we asked them to correct it, which they corrected. They cleaned them again. But that way, overall, as a chairman, I was happy that we finally decided to give the contract to the Zindas contractor, and they did a fairly good job. So I take this opportunity to inform the other clients of Zindas that they are reliable and they do a good job. You need to be handhold with them to get the best outcome from them. Thank you.